The role of a collision lawyer. Navigating legal avenues after an accident. Car accidents are unfortunate events that can lead to physical injuries, property damage, and emotional distress. When such incidents occur, understanding the legal implications and seeking professional assistance becomes crucial. This is where a collision lawyer comes into play. A collision lawyer specializes in handling cases related to vehicular accidents, offering guidance, legal representation, and expertise to navigate the complex landscape of insurance claims and legal proceedings. Expertise and knowledge. Collision lawyers possess a deep understanding of the legal framework surrounding car accidents. They are well versed in the specific laws and regulations that govern road safety and liability, which vary from jurisdiction to jurisdiction. Their knowledge extends to areas such as negligence, liability assessment, insurance policies, and personal injury claims. This expertise allows them to provide valuable insights to their clients and ensure they are informed about their rights and options. Investigation and evidence gathering. One of the critical roles of a collision lawyer is to conduct thorough investigations into the circumstances of the accident. This involves gathering evidence such as police reports, eyewitness testimonies, accident scene photographs, and medical records. By meticulously examining these details, collision lawyers can reconstruct the sequence of events and establish liability. This evidence becomes the foundation upon which they build a strong case for their clients. Negotiation with insurance companies. Dealing with insurance companies can be a complex and challenging process, especially when seeking compensation for injuries and damages. Collision lawyers act as advocates for their clients during negotiations with insurance providers. They have the skills to negotiate effectively, ensuring that their clients receive fair and just settlements. Lawyers understand the tactics often employed by insurance companies to minimize payouts and are equipped to counter these strategies, thereby maximizing the compensation their clients deserve. Legal proceedings and representation. In cases where negotiations with insurance companies do not yield satisfactory results, collision lawyers are prepared to take the matter to court. They are experienced litigators who can represent their clients during legal proceedings. Whether it's filing a lawsuit, presenting arguments in court, or cross-examining witnesses, collision lawyers have the legal acumen to navigate the complexities of the courtroom. Their goal is to secure the best possible outcome for their clients, whether through settlements or court verdicts. Personal injury claims. Car accidents often result in personal injuries, ranging from minor to severe. Collision lawyers specialize in personal injury claims, seeking compensation for medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other related damages. They work closely with medical professionals to assess the extent of injuries and their long-term implications. This collaborative approach allows them to quantify the damages accurately and present a comprehensive case to secure appropriate compensation. Peace of mind. Engaging a collision lawyer offers peace of mind to accident victims. Dealing with the aftermath of a car accident can be emotionally overwhelming, especially when juggling medical treatments, repair costs, and legal matters. By entrusting the legal aspects to a professional, individuals can focus on their recovery while knowing that their legal rights are being protected and advocated for. In conclusion, a collision lawyer plays a vital role in guiding individuals through the aftermath of a car accident. Their expertise, investigative skills, negotiation abilities, and legal representation offer a comprehensive approach to handling the complexities of insurance claims and legal proceedings. By seeking the assistance of a collision lawyer, accident victims can ensure that their rights are upheld and that they receive the compensation they deserve.